terms of some of the, I would like to inquire about the services that you're providing in the ICT Qatar virtual office initiative that you have. So what kind of services does it include? Things like a simple Office, Excel, Office applications and items like that?
Basically, the virtual office environment has a variety of components. Built into it is the Office in a Box application, which gives you the connectivity from your home that you would need, both telephony, internet, email, web hosting. There's hundreds of features that come with that help you enable your business. That actually gives you connectivity to our cloud services. Now, depending on what your business is or your business model, the applications on that cloud service vary. In the pilot that we did, we had a portal that was built to allow QTEL to manage work from home employees virtually without having to be there watching them, but be able to manage them on an objective-based way, not how many hours you worked, but how productive you were for the day. So it's limitless, and we can do very customized, bespoke solutions for anyone who's interested in deploying that model.
But in terms of the general kind of normal applications, so these could be on that cloud? On the cloud, you have your Microsoft Office applications, if that's something that you need. And again, as pointing to one of Wa'a's comments, it's really pay as you go. You don't have to go out and buy, hundreds of dollars worth of Microsoft licensing or any other types of applications, or you don't have to invest heavily in a server or someone to actually manage that server or that service. So it takes a big proportion of your capital expenditure out of the metrics. Is there an opportunity here where you've got temporary kind of employment contracts being done also in this virtual office? Is this something that they looks at as well, Rabir, in terms of people that could be hired?
I think that the issue with temporary contracts tend to be that in most places the local labour laws do not allow for temporary contracts unless it's for the local population. And so to the extent that there are a local population that's interested in that job, obviously they can cater. And to the extent that other people are able to do so too, obviously it's a service we could.
See, regarding to a short-term contract or a temporary, the model that we are discussing here, that we could have your full-time employees. Regarding startup businesses, definitely you need employees, you have to hire them. The model that we are explaining here, you can have a lot of people to work on a contract base or a single job, but how to manage people to be like your full-time employee. So the model that we are explaining is the most difficult one, which is having your full-time employees with you on the virtual office environment. The guideline that ICT Qatar invests to develop is to help you to manage that office and even to look into the aspects of reviewing the business model, which means about recruiting, policies of HR, the contract, how you have to develop a contract where you manage the relation with the employee. The training is really one aspect of it. It's to teach the supervisor or the employee how they manage really the work productivity based on objectives. So it's really to support you from the different angles of setting up your businesses while you don't have to be surrounded by your employees. Your employees would be everywhere, full-time job, but you manage the product